For today's discussion, let's talk about financial statement. At the end of the discussion, you will be able to learn how to prepare and identify the balance sheet and also prepare income statement. We have here an example of Prince Hardware assets as of December 31, 2020. Please prepare balance sheet under assets sections. So these are the accounts that we will be preparing. Later we will check these accounts with notes indicated. Now, we have prepared the balance sheet under assets section. So try to familiarize. In heading, we have the name of the business, Prince Hardware, and also what type of report we are preparing, balance sheet, and the month, date, and the year. So December 31, 2020. What was presented earlier in the asset section is the summary of the assets. Now, let us check the notes of the accounts that there are summary. For cash, we have cash on hand, cash in bank. So under trade and other receivable, we have account receivable, notes receivable, interest receivable, and advances to employees. While for prepaid expenses, there are two accounts, prepaid supplies and prepaid insurance. So please try also to observe under property, plant, equipment, we have land, building less the accumulated depreciation, same also in equipment. And then for furniture and fixtures, we have total of 780,000 pesos. So this is how to prepare notes. Now let's take a look of the liabilities and owner's equity of Prince Hardware. The same year, December 31, 2020. So for here, please prepare balance sheet under liability and equity account. Presented here is the liability and owner's equity account of Prince. In the presentation of liability account, there is also one note, so let's check. There are two accounts under trade and other payable. We have accounts payable, notes payable, a total of 500,000 pesos. So this is how to prepare the liability and owner's equity account. This is now the financial statement of Prince Hardware. So what is the report that we prepared? Balance sheet. So when? December 31, 2020. This is the presentation of report form. So please familiarize current assets, non-current assets, and the total of the assets should be equal to the liabilities and capital equity. So the total also of the liabilities and capital is 1,600,000 pesos. This is how to present your balance sheet under account form. Our discussion for income statement is focused on the service type of business. So for example, Prince Hardware data as of June 30, 2021, please prepare the income statement. In preparing the income statement report, we always have to write the name of the business, what type of report. For here, we are preparing income statement. So as of June 30, 2021. To present, we have to write the total revenue of the shop, which is amounting to 300,000 pesos. Write also the other income, 25,000 pesos. So we have total income of 325,000 pesos. Less all the expenses, and we will come up with the net income, which is 216,000 pesos. And this is subject to tax. There are 5 types of financial statement. We have the income statement, balance sheet, the statement of changes in owner's equity, the statement of cash flows, and notes to financial statement. Thank you so much for watching our video lessons. Please don't forget to subscribe to be updated for the new video lessons in the future.